Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a Gazette Online for a name change after marriage. First, gather all your essential documents, including your marriage certificate and identification proof. Next, prepare an affidavit for your name change, ensuring it is properly attested by a notary public. Finally, draft a clear newspaper advertisement announcing your name change, which is a crucial step in the process. Now, let's move to the online application. Navigate to the official Department of Publication website to access the Gazette application portal. Carefully fill out the online form, ensuring all personal details and new name information are accurate. You will then need to upload scanned copies of your attested affidavit and the published newspaper advertisement. Double-check everything before proceeding to the next stage. Once your documents are uploaded, the next step is to complete the payment. Use the secure online payment gateway to pay the required application fee. Before making your final submission, take a moment to thoroughly review your entire application for any potential errors or omissions. After successful submission, make sure to note down your unique application reference number. This is essential for tracking your application status. After submitting your application, you can easily track its progress online using the reference number you received. Typically, the Gazette notification will be published on the official website within a few weeks. Once published, you can download and print your e-Gazette copy. This official document serves as legal proof of your name change and can be used for updating all your other records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.